Back on track, but low turnout. Mixed reactions to the resumption of the school train service in St. Catherine today after almost 2 decades. Kalisha Williams has our story.
It was a day many did not believe they would have seen, the return of the railway.
It feels very fun, and I think it's faster than the taxis that I take in my area.
It's day one of the school train pilot service in St. Catherine.
I was scared at first.
These pre-selected students were welcomed with gifts at the train station Monday morning. Members of the media, government officials, and residents joined the fanfare.
Where we live at Artlands, it is very hard to get taxis, so the train was on time and it was very reliable and the ride was very good.
2 trains were a part of the pilot program. The first arrived around 6:55 a.m., then the second arrived at 7:15. Due to COVID-19 protocols, only 400 students were registered for the program, but today there were only 6 on board.
All the students from the 6 participating schools would not have yet collected their cards. The Ministry of Education indicated that they will get their cards today and tomorrow in full, because all the students don't come back at the same time on the same day. So it's going to take us a couple of days to get up to the full 400.
I'm inside one of the passenger trains that arrived at the Spanish Town train station in St. Catherine this morning. And the seats are actually pretty comfortable. They are tagged with these signs just to notify students to practice physical distancing. And while there was a poor turnout this morning, the ministry is hoping that by the end of the week, students will start filling the seats.
We were determined, because of the pandemic, to create an alternative to get our students to school. And we came up with the idea of, merging, Mike Henry would say the multimodal way of having the train and the bus. And it has worked elsewhere, and it is going to work here in Jamaica.
But not everyone was convinced that the service will actually work.
This is like a waste of time still, but I can say it work out now.
Why you say it's a waste of time?
Yeah, because what you know, and it's children for children, don't it? You see them, a generation of children come now. Unless we put some music in that chain, because it's the music captivate the mind. You have to have cartel and popcorn and poppy and mavado and alkaline and all them. Is that in that chain? Not going away. It come already now and it never gone away now, so because I come back again, so they call it the 4th wave of the COVID, so make us see what go on.
It's not clear how long the pilot phase of the initiative will last. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.